Hi guys! I'm gineerbens and welcome back to my channel. Pero kung bago ka pa lang sa channel na to, ako po'y gumagawa ng mga video tutorial and building construction related videos. At ngayon ay nag-a-add po tayo ng mga properties na ating pwedeng pag-investan in this video. And in this episode, ang ating pag-uusapan is itong house and lot na pwede nating pag-investan. So without much thing to do, i-play muna natin yung ating intro para makapag-start na po tayo mag-discuss ng ating SUNNYVALE2. Ang pag-uusapan natin is ang kanyang location, site development plan, features and amenities, type of house na pwede natin pag-investan, deliverables as well as yung ating standard payment terms. So ang ating SUNNYVALE2 ay located po siya sa Barangay Pugo, Cecilia, Santa Ignacia, Tarlac. If you take a look with our vicinity map, makikita po natin na merong SM City Tarlac, papuntang Tarlac City, papuntang Hirona Tarlac, papuntang Pangasinan and Baguio, at meron din papuntang Kamiling. So malapit po yung ating property sa Mayantac, Tarlac, 6.37 kilometers to the west, Kamiling, Tarlac, 8.51 kilometers to the northeast, at San Clemente, Tarlac, 13.48 kilometers northwest, at sa Tarlac City is 21.76 kilometers to the southeast. So yung ating property ay medyo malapit sa mga lugar na na-mention natin. So in addition, 2.6 kilometers sa public market, 2 kilometers sa Antonio Hospital, 2.8 kilometers sa Municipal Hall, 2.7 kilometers sa police station ng Santa Ignacia, fire station, malapit din siya 2.7, 4.6 kilometers sa San Vicente Elementary School kung meron tayong mga anak na nag-aaral, at 21.9 kilometers sa SM City Tarlac, 20.5 kilometers sa Tarlac State University. Tarlac Agricultural University is only 5.7. Sobrang lalapit ng mga establishments sa ating property. So, ito po ay under ng Summer Hills Home Development Corporation. Project type po ay BP220 dahil ito ay mixed of economic and socialized housing. Pero most of the units are socialized housing. Kasi 2,825 units yung ating socialized housing at meron din tayong 665 units for economic house. So, ang kagandahan dito dahil meron po tayong mga nagkagandahang amenities. Ang amenities po natin ay number 1 feature, gated po siya, and meron po tayong guardhouse. Meron tayong clubhouse, pocket parks, yung mga gilid-gilid ng mga parks. Meron din tayong of course basketball court, hindi nalalayo. Meron tayong fun court, mango park, and playground, then elevated water tank. So masasabi natin na talagang standard. Meron tayong mga amenities na makikita. So yung ating payment scheme ay meron po tayong spot cash, deferred cash, and affordable payment. And this time ay meron po tayong under ng Pag-ibig. Nag-launch po itong project na to noong June 2022. So yung ating mga unit type is roof type po siya. At ang ating unit ay that will cost you only 580,000 yung ating unit. Pero may katandem po ito ng home improvement na around 200,000 also. Pero sobrang dami ng improvement na gagawin. In this case, yung ating 200 plus na home improvement, kasama na po yan yung provision ng tiles. Meron na po siyang mga tiles sa kitchen. Tapos naka-steel case na po yung ating mga window, mga railings. Tapos meron na rin po tayong floor tiles sa toilet and bath, 1-layer based board tiles, and then may flush type water closet, 3-chamber ng septic tank, smooth finish interior wall ready to receive paint finish, long span colored roof, ceiling of eaves area, and then concreting of pavement at laundry area including laundry pad, provision of step block at entryway, provision of steel doors and jumps, and main service entrance, and then yung provision ng 3-foot fiber cement board at roof area and stairs. So yun po yung ating makukuha pagkukuha tayo ng unit doon. Kasama na po yun yung home improvement. At magiging ganito yung calculation niya. So, yung ating unit is 580,000 pesos. Then, yung ating home improvement ay 241,071 pesos. So, a total of it, 121. So, ang ating roof type is 821. That comprise already yung regular na residential unit mo as well as yung home improvement. So, ang may tax lang is yung home improvement. So, after the tax and the other charges, it will cost you 920,000 pesos. Yung ating reservation is meron tayong total na 3,500 para sa reservation natin in both residential and yung ating home improvement loan. So, yung ating down payment ay payable siya in 24 months, which in this case, 3,997 yung ating magiging monthly amortization sa loob ng 2 taon. So, ano yung 3,997? That comprised with the regular unit as well as the home improvement. Magkano yung napunta sa regular unit? 2,313. At yung sa home improvement naman ay 1,685. So, that will give you 3,997 yung magiging monthly natin. So, magiging ganun yung ating payment. Therefore, yung balance or yung loanable amount after mong mabayaran yung 24 months, yun ay ipapasok doon sa pag-ibig. So, in that case, pwede ka makapag-decide na gagawin mo siyang 5, 10, 15 years, 20, 15, or even you can avail until 30 years. Ganon ang sa pag-ibig. So, maganda po siya. Hindi ka po mapipressure. At the good thing about this one is economic. So, yung 580,000 pesos mo na house and lot, to think, di ba, mura na po yan dahil socialized po yung ating mga unit. At for your information, sobrang konti na lang yung ating available units. That's why I encourage you to get your unit immediately kasi magkakaubusan na po yung ating unit dahil konti na lang yung natitira sa ating inventory, yung ating socialized housing. So yung ating unit ay pwede nyo siyang i-expand. Like meron tayong options na pwede nating i-expand yung mga bakanting, di ba meron tayong mga vacant area sa gilid ng ating unit. Pwede po natin yang i-extend or i-renovate or gusto nating dagdagan, i-cover natin yung space available. So, meron po tayong mga options dyan. Yung mga deliverables natin is kasama na yun sa home improvement kasi yung basic residential natin is yung house and lot na makukuha mo, that's the basic deliverables. Dahil ngayon ay meron ka ng home improvement, so upon handover ay yun yung marireceive nyo na feature sa unit mo once na handover sa'yo yung unit. So, yung standard payment natin, sinasabi ko sa inyo, that's for pag-ibig, 24 months to pay. And na-mention ko na rin sa inyo yung total amount na babayaran. So, if you're interested guys, please contact me on my social media account. Ilalagay ko din sa description below yung mga details ko para mas mabilis nyo ako makontak. And I would encourage you talaga na mag-invest dito sa SUNNYVALE2 dahil house and lot po ito. Very affordable dahil socialized housing. At kahit na hindi po kayo taga-Tarlac, pwede po tayo mag-invest kasi pwede naman natin tong ibenta after. Like, mag-invest ka tapos the time na ayaw mo na, hindi pwede na nating ibenta yung ating mga unit. So, I hope na nakakatulong po itong ating video na ginawa para magkaroon po kayo ng idea kung ano yung mga target nyong i-invest. So, sooner or later. So, I hope, especially kung kayo ay OFW, dapat po tayo talagang mag-invest na kaagad. So, by the way, I'm gineerbens, IPS of SMDC, and I'm happy to serve with you, and I hope that you learned something out from this video. So, if you do, please consider subscribing my channel, and I hope to see you with your inquiry para agad-agad makapag-start po tayo ng ating mga investment. So, I guess that's it for this episode, and have a great day. Happy investing, and God bless. Bye!